What if I told you that you've been using the wrong AI this whole time? Everyone is obsessed with ChatGPT, but there is a quiet revolution happening right now. It's called Claude 3, created by Anthropic, and for many professional tasks, it completely destroys the competition. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete, step-by-step beginner's guide to Claude 3. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to use it to write better emails, analyze massive documents in seconds, and even write code without knowing a single programming language. If you want to stay ahead of the AI curve and boost your productivity, you need to know how to use Claude. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the interface, you need to understand what makes Claude 3 special. Anthropic released a family of 3 models: Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. Haiku is the fastest and cheapest. Sonnet is the balanced middle ground, and it's completely free to use. Opus is the heavy hitter, designed for complex reasoning and advanced tasks. But the real superpower of Claude 3 is its context window. It can remember and process up to 200,000 tokens at once. That's equivalent to a 500-page book. You can literally upload an entire financial report, a massive legal contract, or an entire code base, and Claude will understand it perfectly. It also sounds much more natural and human-like than ChatGPT, which often sounds a bit robotic. Let's look at the interface. Go to Claude AI and create a free account. The layout is incredibly clean and distraction-free. At the bottom, you have the chat box. This is where the magic happens. Let's start with a basic prompt. The secret to getting great results with Claude is being specific and providing context. Instead of saying, "Write an email to my boss," try this: "You are an expert copywriter. Write a polite but firm email to my boss requesting a deadline extension for the Q3 marketing report. Mention that we are waiting on data from the sales team. Keep it under 150 words." Notice the difference? Claude will give you a masterpiece on the first try because you gave it a role, a clear objective, and constraints. Now let's look at Claude's best feature: analyzing documents. You see the little attachment icon next to the chat box? Click that. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, text files, and even CSV spreadsheets. Let's say you have a 50-page PDF report on market trends. Upload it and ask Claude, "Summarize the key findings of this report in 5 bullet points and highlight any potential risks mentioned." In seconds, Claude reads the entire 50 pages and gives you exactly what you need. This feature alone will save you hours of reading every single week. It's like having a brilliant research assistant available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Even if you don't know how to code, Claude can be your personal developer. It's incredibly good at writing Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's say you want a simple calculator for your website. Just ask, "Write the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code for a modern minimalist calculator." Put all the code in a single file. Claude will generate the exact code. You just copy it, paste it into a text editor, save it as an HTML file, and open it in your browser. Boom, you just built an app. You can ask Claude to modify it, change the colors, or add new features, and it will rewrite the code for you instantly. Claude 3 is a massive leap forward in AI productivity. Whether you are writing, researching, or coding, it's a tool you absolutely need in your arsenal. I challenge you to try Claude 3 this week for one task you normally do yourself and see how much time it saves you. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to AI Tools Pro. We bring you the best AI tutorials, news, and tools every single week so you can stay ahead of the curve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.